today we are holding this Zoom meeting. It's a natural response for the love that we had for him and the kind of respect that we showed him. Even though he never needed any respect, but he commanded it, and it is only natural for us to give him. So there are more than one reason for me to say that he has been a good friend of mine, a brother to me, and the kind of contribution that he has given to education in Goa cannot be explained in words. Because to him, every student was an individual greater than himself. And he would make sure that he would add all the qualities onto that individual to make him a perfect piece to be given to the society. In that way, his contribution can never be forgotten. To him, any student he was not an educator for the student. He was an affectionate mentor for them. And that's why even after he left all these students, he was in a position to keep in touch with all of them. And he was in a position to have this kind of relationship with him all through his lifetime. The time I met him in America, he was telling me that he visited a couple of friends there too, who were his students. So you can imagine the kind of warmth, the kind of love, the kind of friendship that he was able to sustain, regardless of the ages, regardless of the time past. So his is a life that we need to celebrate. This is not somebody that we can just forget. He's an example of a good teacher, a good friend, a good leader, a good speaker, and the list goes on. So once again, I thank you for allowing me to say a few words about him. We continue to celebrate his life. Anything that we see in Goa, in our friendship together, any landmark that I see, bring his memory vivid to me. And I'm sure this will be an experience of many of the friends that he had there. He will be living in our memory all through. He does not need anything, any mausoleum or anything of that kind to keep his memory. He himself, his thought is a memory. And I am grateful once again for allowing me to say a few words at this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. First, we will have our physical meeting, and then all other will speak. Okay, sir.
Oh, can I say I was not sure of the time that you would give me. That's why I stopped.
No, I will.
You know, it was in Goa that I met him.
Okay, sir.
I was also a bachelor teacher, as I said. We were living in a hired, rented house, just at the steps of Mangeshi Temple.
Yes, sir.
And then we used to have our meals.
Definitely, will allow you, sir, to speak for more time, sir. But let first physical meeting at the Mangirish Youth Club Hall be over, and then we'll allow one by one to speak on him.
Could you repeat? I couldn't hear.
Yeah, first let physical meeting at the Mangirish Youth Club be over. Then later on, we'll allow everybody to speak. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Yeah. Please be patient. Thank you.
Can you imagine when you share as a bachelor, when you share a home, a house?
I understand that.
You can imagine the friendship there is more than a brotherhood.
I understand.
It's more than a brother to me. And you can, the time we used to be there, we had our meals from the next, the temple restaurant there. It was run by one Nadkarni, one Mr. Nadkarni. And he was the one who took us to Nadkarni's place. And Nadkarni had no children. His wife used to be our Oini. We used to call her sister. And she would keep the food ready for us, and he would be there. He would go ahead. And the kind of relationship, friendship that he fostered there was just the beginning of my assessment of him. That's why I said anywhere he has on any place, any person he has touched,
Okay, sir.
that he has
Yeah, yeah.
turned
We'll
that
start, sir.
person
We'll start, sir.
to
Yeah, we'll start.
someone who will remember him all the time.
Friends, we are muting everybody and we'll allow all other persons to speak one by one.
Okay, let me boot.
Sagar, can you just unmute that laptop? Yeah. Raju, please go ahead.
मोगाळ इश्टानो तुमकां सगळ्यांक आज हांव येवकार दिता ह्या वाठाराचे एक व्यक्तिमत्व जाका आमी सगळे जाण परिचयाचे वळखीचे ते ह्या वागडे हायस्कुलाचे माजी हेडमास्तर श्री एम थॉमस तांकां स्वर्गीय जावन आज 13 दीस जातात आनी आज आमी तेजे एक स्टुडंट तेजे मोगी तेजे फ्रेंड सगळे मेळून थारायलें की आमी एक आमची सामाजीक बांदिलकी ज्या मनशान आपलें आयुश्य ऐन उमेदीच्या ह्या वाठाराच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक भेटयलें तुवें म्हणटलें की वॉट डेव्हलपमेंट म्हाजी आनी थॉमसाची जी वळख आसा ते वळखीचे रुपांतर पळयत जाल्यार थॉमस was not only a teacher, but he was a very good administrator. वागळे हायस्कुलाचें नांव एका खेड्यांतल्या स्कुलाचें नांव गोंयच्या वयल्या दरवाड्याचेर जर ते व्हेलें आसत तर ते एम थॉमस इट इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ टिचींग इट वॉज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ हीज गुड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. He was a good teacher. Beside a good teacher, he was a good administrator. That's why the school can progress in social, cultural, all activities. I know कित्याक माझी भुरगीं ह्या स्कुलान शिकलेली. I was not a student of Mr. M. Thomas, but we were associated with him in administrative capacity. Myself, Dr. Ganesham, when we were the officials of the Parent Teacher Association. थॉमसान कितलेशे स्टुडंट घडयले जे आज नॉट ओनली इंडिया अब्रॉड ऑल्सो काम करतात. जेदूच आमकां कळ्ळें की थॉमस आमचे मदीं ना. एटलीस्ट देर वॉज सिरीज ऑफ कॉल एज इफ somebody is no more in the family member, like condoling each other. That is the greatness of any person, and that is possible only for the personality like Sri M. Thomas. Thomas had a very good rapport with the management of the school also. So whenever he used to say something, जो त्यांना कितें ठराव कितें मांडलो, he took some proposal, management always used to accept it because administratively he was very perfect. I remember when I was in the Parent Teacher Association, Mr. Natkani was the chairman and Mr. Kaunta was the general secretary. Dr. Ganesham was there. But whatever we used to suggest, Thomas had a capacity to approve it, and he said, I will tell the management. I will get it approved from the management. Not that he was overtaking the management. We have lost a good personality. He was an educationist. I remember when Thomas came down to Goa, he came with John Kuzurveli, then Matai, who were the teacher in Shiksha Sadar, where myself and doctor were the student. They were also excellent teachers along with Mr. Thomas. But Thomas brought the glory of this school. We today are missing a personality. There are students, ex-students here. In fact, if this was not COVID, then we would have had more people. We kept this condolence, this thing limited to very few people so that we have the remembrance of and we know a personality. आम्ही कोणी एकमेकांक एक्सप्लेन करपाची गरज ना because he is in our heart. Mr. M.M. Thomas, I met him 1 year back because every year during Ganesh Chaturthi, तो माझ्या घराकडे येतालो and he used to spend at least minimum 1.5 hours to 2 hours and discussing various issues. Sometimes he was a person who used to develop your personality also, used to guide you also sometimes. He used to tell you or he used to appreciate you. Field and he used to tell, Raju, if you what you are doing, no, you must add this. Then it will be better in your life also and in the social upliftment of the people of our Goa म्हण our village म्हण आम्ही त्याच्या खूप ऋणात आसा हांव मागता की आम्ही फुडले हे सुरू करचे पयलीं आम्ही त्याचे हांगा हें आसा ताका सगळे जाणां जे कोण आसा तांणी फुलां भेटोवया ताज्या स्मृतीक नमन करुया आनी मागीर प्रत्येकाक जें कोणाक कितें उलोवपाचें आसा ताणें 1-2 मिनटां आपल्यो भावना ज्यो आसात त्यो व्यक्त करच्यो हांव जाणा देर आर खुबशे हांगा जे दोतोर आसात डॉक्टर अजय पेडणेकर डॉक्टर अनिल देसाय so many there are also some people who are the architect he was not a teacher of science but he developed the personality. It is not important that what subject teacher is teaching you, but in what way you are developed is more important. And if that development takes a real path, then you are somebody in your life. I request all of you that let us pay, first of all, let us stand 1 minute, observe silence and pray Almighty God that Mr. M.M. Thomas' soul to rest in peace. We are all sure that his soul is in peace because the person who is doing his duty on the earth is always sent for peaceful thing in the heaven also. So I request you, let us stand, condole his this thing and pay respect of ours to the departed soul. Thank you. पंच वांगडी जो आसा दामोदर तेणे हार घालचो आनी मागीर आमी सगळीं फुलांची अर्गां तेज्या फोटवाक ओंपुया. Yeah.
ह्या महिन्याच्या 17 तारखेक आमचे सर M.M. थॉमस आमकां सोडून ह्या जगांतल्यान गेल्ले आसा. थॉमस सरा बद्दल थोडोसो इतिहास तुमचे मुखार हांव दवरतां. हिस्ट्री थॉमस सर 1 सप्टेंबर 1965 पयले खेप गोंयांत आनी ते म्हार्दोळा येयल्ले. तेच दीस तेंच्यांनी आपले टिचर ह्या पोस्टा खातीर म्हार्दोळच्या श्री म्हाळसा इंग्लीश स्कूल ह्या स्कुला खातीर इंटरव्यू दिल्लो. आनी तेन्ना त्या स्कुलाचे प्रिंसिपल आशिल्ले मॅडम नलिनीताई घाणेकार. आनी जेन्ना हे एजे मोठे व्यक्तिमत्व आनी ते नलिनीताई घाणेकर बरे परिपक्व अशी टिचर आशिल्ले. तेंच्यांनी पयले की अशें जेन्ना एक कॅन्डिडेट आमच्या स्कुला खातीर येयल्ले आसा तेंच्यांनी विचार न करता थंयचे थंय तांकां अपॉयंटमेंट दिलें. आनी दुसरे दिसा म्हणजे 2 तारखेक 2 सप्टेंबराक ते श्री म्हाळसा इंग्लीश स्कुलांत शिकोवपाक रुजू जाले. कालांतरान एका वर्सा भितर 1966 हे श्री म्हाळसा इंग्लीश स्कूल श्री मांगेरीश विद्याध्ययनी संस्थेचे श्री V.D. वागळे हायस्कूल हांगा स्थापन जाले. आनी ह्या स्कुलांत ते मर्ज जाले. आनी त्या पयले दिसा पासून श्री म्हणजे आमचे M.M. थॉमस सर वागळे हायस्कूलचे टिचर म्हणून कार्यरत जाले. तेजे नंतर 1974 तांकां बढती मेळून ते हेडमास्टर जाले. आनी आपले आयुश्य त्यांनी म्हणजे 1965 म्हार्दोळ सुरू केल्ले श्री म्हाळसा इंग्लीश स्कुलांतल्यान. मागीर श्री वागळे हायस्कुलांत 1966 सुरू जाल्ले. ते 2002 पर्यंत जेन्ना ते रिटायर जाले हेडमास्टर म्हणून ह्या स्कुलांतल्यान आपले आयुश्याची 22 वर्सांचे ते म्हार्दोळ येयल्ले. आनी ते रिटायर जाले तेन्ना 60 वर्सां सुमार विचार करात तुमी. मॅक्झिमम आयुश्य तेणी आमचे म्हार्दोळ आनी मंगेश ह्या गांवांत आमच्या भुरग्यांक बरी देख आनी शिक्षण दिवपा खातीर घालिल्लें आसा. आनी 28 वर्सां हेडमास्टर म्हणून ह्या स्कुलान रावन पयलीं 8 वर्सां हेजे टिचर आनी मागीर 28 वर्सां हेजे हेडमास्टर रावन ते 2002 रिटायर जाले. जरी जन्मान तेंचो जन्म ते केरळांत जन्मात येयल्ले तरी तेंची कर्मभूमी म्हणटा ती गोंय आशिल्लें. आनी मेनली मंगेश आनी म्हार्दोळ ह्या वाठारांत आज आमचे मुखार खूब जाण बसलेले आसात. म्हाका डॉक्टर मधू गडकरकर दिसता, डॉक्टर अजय पेंडके दिसता, एडवोकेट राजू मंगेशकर दिसता. आमचे ह्या वाठाराचे माजी सरपंच आतांचे पंच दामोदर नायक बसलेले आसा, सागर साकडो अशे खूब जाण. आनी गोंयांत न्ही गोंया भायर एडवोकेट राजू मंगेशकर सांगता अशे खूब भुरग्यांक तेणी आपले शिक्षणीक योगदान दिवन तांकां वयचे पावंड्यार हाडलेले आसा. हांव म्हणटा की प्रत्येक शाळेंत टिचर्स आसतात. टिचरांक लागून आज आमी हांगा उबे आनी ह्या स्थळाचेर पावल्ले आसा. तांकां मान हो सदां कितकोय दिलो तो कमी वयता. पूण थोडे टिचर अशे आसतात ते लोकां मदीं आपलें स्थान तयार करून अजरामर जातात. आनी तितले एक म्हटल्यार थॉमस सर. आज आमच्या मुखार हेजी व्हडली वास्तू दिसता ही वागळे हायस्कूल. हे वास्तू जरी स्थापन केली वागळे परिवारान ती मोठी देण तेणी ह्या परिसराक दिल्या. तेंचे ऋणी आमी सदांच आसपाक जाय. खंयची संस्था किंवा क्रीडा संस्था आसूं किंवा शैक्षणीक संस्था स्थापन करपाक वेळ लागना. पूण ती चलप आनी तिका नावलौकीक दिवप हो खरोच म्हत्वाचो आसता. आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता हे संस्थेक हायस्कुलाचो नावलौकीक आज मेळिल्लो आसा. तेका सगळे तेजे श्रेय म्हाका दिसता थॉमस सराक चड वयता. हितून खंयच कोणाचें दुय्यम नासतलें. आतां राजून सांगता प्रमाणे हांव किंवा एडवोकेट राजू मंगेशकर थॉमस सराचे आमी स्टुडंट न्ही, विद्यार्थी न्ही. आमी आमचे दुसऱ्या हायस्कूल शिक्षा सदन हे आमी शिकलेले आशिल्ले. पूण जेन्ना आमची भुरगीं व्हड जालीं आनी ती शाळेंत वचपाच्या वयांत येयलीं पयलीं आमच्या भुरग्यांक आमी मराठी शाळेंतूच घातले, चवथी जाले नंतर खंयच्या स्कुलाक घालचो असो प्रश्न येयलो आनी तेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की आमच्याच वाठारांत आनी मंगेशीत एम थॉमस हेंच्या मार्गदर्शन खाली एक बरें स्कूल चलता, बरी संस्था चलता, बरें शिक्षण थंय मेळटा. तेन्ना आमी म्हाज्या भुरग्याक 1995 हे स्कुलाक दाखल केलो. तेन्नाच्यान म्हाजो संबंध एम थॉमस सरा कडेन येयलो. आय वॉज एसोसिएटेड विथ हिम बिकॉज फ्रॉम दॅट डे ऑनवर्ड, फ्रॉम my 5th to 10th of my son's being here, I was the chairperson of the PTA with the help of my colleague at that time, Advocate Raju Mukhya, Sedyasa Braganza, Mani, with teachers, management. We are a good team as a parent-teacher association, with the teachers, with the management, with the students and parents. आणि आमचे कडेन जाता तितलो भार आमी ह्या संस्थेक दिवपाक प्रयत्न केलो. आमचे स्कुलांत आमी शिकले थंय आमकां शिक्षक मेळ्ळे, पूण सगळ्याक हो मान मेळटा असो ना. जेन्ना 2002 ह्या संस्थे पासून आमचे हेडमास्टर एम थॉमस रिटायर जाले, तेन्ना आमकां दिसलें एज ए PTA विथ द मॅनेजमेंट, विथ द टिचर, विथ द स्टुडंट एंड पेरंट, तेका ताजो भोवमान त्या तरेनूच जावपाक जाय. आनी तो आमी तेन्ना घडोवन हाडलो. 14 एप्रील 2002 ताजो आमी हांगा भव्य दिव्य असो सन्मान केलो, रिटायरमेंट फेलिसिटेशन केलें जेन्ना ते हे स्कूल सोडून गेल्ले. आनी तेन्ना म्हाका याद जाता तो फेलिसिटेशन आमी तेन्ना जे शैक्षणीक तज्ञ म्हणटा तशें, आनी तेन्ना ते चेअरमॅन सेकंडरी हायर सेकंडरी बोर्डाचे PR नाटकर्णी हेंचे हस्ते तो जाल्लो आशिल्लो. तो भोवमान आमी दिवपाचो तांकां प्रयत्न केलो. तेजे नंतर तेंचे लायफ रिटायर्ड हॅपी लायफ वयताले. एडवोकेट राजू मुंगेशान सांगले प्रमाणे त्याने आपलो संबंध फक्त स्टुडंटा कडेन दवरलो ना, पण स्टुडंटाच्या भायर वचून ते पेरंट्सा कडेन तेंचे नातें इतकें जवळीक आशिल्लें की ते खंयचेय सणाक तेन्ना विश करताले. आपलो टायम राजू बरोबर तशेंच म्हाजे कडेन तशेंच अजया कडेन वयताले किंवा मधू कडेन वयताले. प्रत्येक पेरंट्सा कडेन ते तेंचो जो आपुलकीचो संबंध आशिल्लो अशें फक्त थोडेच लोक हे जगात दवरपाक शकता. तितलो एक म्हणजे आमचो एम थॉमस. अशें व्यक्तिमत्व तेन्ना त्याने सगळ्या कडेन बरे भशेन संबंध दवरलेलो आनी आपूण हेच परिवाराचो, हे मार्दम मंगेश परिवाराचोच एक व्यक्ती अशें संबंध तो आमचे कडेन दवरून तो आपले जिणे जगतालो. म्हाका सांगन दिसता की हे करता आसतना ते बेंगलोर तेंची फॅमिली आसा बेंगलोरात, तेजी इफ आय एम नॉट रॉंग डॉटर एक थंय रावता, थंय आसताले, गोंयांतूच आसताले. आनी हालीं ऑक्टोबर नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबराक तांकां काळान तेंचेर आघात घातलो आनी तांकां एक अशें आजार जालो. तो तांकां लेट कळ्ळो. इट वॉज सम पॅन्क्रियाटीक इलनेस diagnosed in Goa. Then he went to Bangalore, got the best of the treatment. He faced the illness with boldness, with म्हणटा ते आमी म्हणटा तशें की तो भिवून आशिल्लो. तेजे बरोबर म्हाजो संबंध सदांच आशिल्लो फ्रॉम ऑक्टोबर when he was diagnosed with the illness till July. Only in August I could not have my conversation with him. पूण तो सगळें सांगतालो आनी he was doing fine. Suddenly in August, first week August, he had some problem. He was admitted on 17th. Early morning in sleep he passed away. तो एकूच सांगतालो दोतोर आय हॅव म्हणजे भोगला म्हणटा आमच्या संवसारांत. तेणे ह्या संवसारांत सगळें पळयलें. ही गॉट गुड इंस्टिट्यूशन लायक बागडे हायस्कूल, ही गॉट गुड स्टुडंट्स. तेंच्यांनी तेजे सराचें नांव वयर काडलें. आमी म्हणटा सरान भुरग्यांक शिकयलें. जेन्ना भुरगे वयर सरता, आपले व्हडले व्हडले पदाचेर पावता आनी जगांत कानाक कोपऱ्यात पावता, तो कोणाचो स्टुडंट? तो थॉमस सराचो स्टुडंट. तो म्हणटालो हे स्टुडंटांनी आपलें नांव वयर काडलें. आय एम सॅटिस्फायड वीथ माय लायफ. आय हॅव सीन एवरीथींग. आय एम रेडी टू एम्ब्रेस माय डेथ. अशें सदांच सांगतालो. आनी लास्ट 17 तारखेक सकाळ फुडें जेन्ना म्हाका मॅडमींतल्यान कळ्ळें की ही लेफ्ट अस आनी दॅट टू पिसफुली इन हीज स्लीप. दॅट वॉज द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ द ग्रेट मॅन. आज जरी तो गेलो, हांव परते परते सांगता, तेणें केल्लें कार्य आमच्या मुखार सदांच उरतलें. आनी हें कार्य हांव सदांच म्हणटा, संस्था स्थापन केल्ली, आज ती हे भरारी केल्ली आसा. प्रत्येकान आपलो रोल हे संवसारांत करून हे संवसार सोडचलो आसता, पूण तो रोल करतना अशे तरेन रोल करपाक जाय की फाटल्यान तेजी याद काडपाक जाय. म्हणून आमी थॉमस सराची याद काडटा. तो ही वॉज नॉट ए टीचर, ही वॉज ए कॉम्पॅक्ट टीचर, सावंड टीचर, बट एट द सेम टायम ही वॉज ए गायड ऑल्सो. म्हाजे पर्सनल तुमकां एक्झाम्पल सांगता, जेन्ना म्हाजो चलो हे स्कुलांत शिकतालो, ही हॅज गायडेड मी अ लॉट. इट वॉज व्हेरी टफ टू इन दीस कॉम्पिटिटीव वर्ल्ड विथ ऑल. आय एम sorry to say some words from the reservation asthana amka when we are not coming in that reservation quota, how to get to that particular seat. But he has guided me in a nice way how to गो इन दॅट आता सगळे क्लासेस नाशिल्लो आकाश आणि हे ते क्लासेस थोडेच कडेन आमकां ट्युशन घेवचें पडटालें. He had given me the apt advice to go to the college, to go to the somewhere, आणि त्याच्या एडवायसा लागून म्हाका दिसता आज म्हाजो चलो आज जे हे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज जे पोजिशनार पावलो आहा ताका कारणीभूत थोमस आसा अशेंय म्हाका तुमकां सांगीन दिसता. सो ही वॉज नॉट एज ओनली अ टीचर बट ही वॉज अ गायड फॉर द फेलोज इन दीस एरिया. अशे वेळार आज ते आमचे मदीं ना. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. हांगा फिजिकली प्रेजेंट आशिल्ले अंडरनर्स ग्रुपाक आशिल्ले सगळे लोक, झुमाचेर आशिल्ले सगळे ताजे वेलविशर्स, स्टुडंट्स विदिन गोवा, आउटसाइड गोवा, आउटसाइड इंडिया, माझे वैयक्तिक लेवलाचेर, तशेंच हांव प्रायमरी टिचर्स असोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष आसा. तांच्या वतीन थॉमस सराक आर्ग दिता. ज्या दिसा आमकां सकाळ फुडें कळ्ळें की ते आमचे मदीं ना म्हणून वागळे ग्रुपाचेर पयलें इन्फॉर्मेशन आयलें. सांजचे मेरेन आमचेर कितलेशे लोकांनी हेजेर सोशल मिडियाचेर कॉन्डोलन्स घातले कारण ते तुमकां मेळूं शकनाशिल्लें कारण 3 वरां भितर फेसबुकाचेर म्हाजो पोस्ट जवळ जवळ विदीन गोवा 31 ते 35 कडेन शेअर जालो. त्याच्या नंतर तशें रात वाडत गेली कारण एब्रॉड आसा तांचे टायम झोन वेगळे आसता. सकाळी मेरेन ताजे 120 शेअर जाल्ले आशिल्ले आनी ताजे एक्रॉस गोवा आनी ताजे फॉलोवर्स आशिल्ले ताजे तो वर्च्युअल हितून आशिल्ले पण तांचे रियलिटी ताजे फॉलोवर्स आशिल्ले. सादे एका जवळ जवळ एक फेसबुकाचो फॉलोवर 1000 तरी आसतात, 800 तरी आसतात. अशें जर 100 करून वचत जवळ जवळ 8000 लोक ताका फॉलो केले विदीन 12 hours. That is a proof how many people even today. How स्कुलाक गेले तर 80 ते 85 आमचो झोन. प्रशांत बी आमचे 3 वर्सां सिनियर. अजय आमचे 4-5 हांव MBBSाक गेलो तेन्ना अजय आमचो रेजिडेंट. तुमी इश्कॉल सुरू जावचे पयलूच्या गणेशान प्लस सुबोध आमच्या 1-2 आमी भायर सरता तेन्ना ते भितर सरल्यात. अशे एक्रॉस जनरेशन्स ताजे स्टुडंट्स आशिल्ले. टिपिकली जेन्ना आमी आशिल्ले तेन्ना पेरंट टिचर असोसिएशन म्हणटा नाशिल्लेंच. खरें तरेन म्हाका दिसता दोतोर घनश्याम बी आयले, अजय मदीं आयला तेन्ना PTA कन्सेप्ट आयलो. आमचे पेरंट्स म्हणजे टिपिकली आमचे जनरेशन्स की आमी टिचर आनी आमी हेजे मदीं आनी कोण नाशिल्लो. करेक्ट बिटवीन आमचे टिचर हेच आमचे पेरंट्स. 8वेची गजाल आसा. 8वेक एक इलोक्युशन कॉम्पिटिशन आशिल्लें. सिलेक्शन्स स्कुलाक नंतर आमच्या तालुका लेवलाचेर वचपाक आशिल्लें. हांगसर म्हाका टिपिकली पयलें प्रायज मेळ्ळें. बोरकर नवीन सराक तुजें ग्रामर तितलें बरें ना, सरा कडेन वचून करेक्शन्स कर. आनी हांव सरा कडेन तो स्क्रिप्ट घेवन गेलो. सरान स्क्रिप्ट मात्तूय पयली ना आनी तेणी एकूच सांगलें तुका कसलें प्रायज मेळपाक जाय. देर आर 2 ways of getting prize. One is clap winning speech, another is heart winning speech. हांव करेक्ट करून दिवन तुका प्रायज मेळटलें. May not that you will win the heart of the people. He said just forget about this grammar, spellings, go with your thought process and deliver it. Even if you don't get the prize, you are a winner. परत हांव येयलो बरोबर सरा कडेन सांगलें सर दिना म्हाका करून म्हणून सरान दिलें म्हागे सगळे तांबडे जाले आनी तेणी सांगलें खरें जालें जेन्ना हांव एक्चुअली मायकार उबो रावलो आय गॉट टोटली आय वॉज गेटिंग ओन्ली दॅट रेड करेक्शन्स सराच्या लक्षांत दवरलें आय जस्ट फॉरगॉट दॅट करेक्टेड स्क्रिप्ट आय वेंट दॅट स्क्रिप्ट that day I got the prize when I was called to deliver the keynote address for the on helmet the that time I've displayed two screens blank screens on the screen to my illiterate mother she met in accident for which she was taken 21 to this pregnancy, your child will have effect on brain. She just defied it, ran away with the cast, delivered me. That's why I could complete the research and present it. And then said second part of the screen is my teacher who told me don't go with this English grammar spellings. Deliver and you will be winner. Today we can speak so many people at least understandable English because of Thomas sir. Sir, I said on my Facebook, we'll never miss you because many of us are speaking your thoughts and that will continue till we are there. Thank you, sir. Wherever you are there, our prayers and wishes are with you. Thank you, sir.
For the benefit of those who don't know me, I'm Dr. Ajay Yashwant Pednekar. I'm a student of Wagale High School, Mangeshi. When the very first day I entered in the 10th standard of my class, that time Thomas sir used to teach English only in the 10th standard. Before that, we were not exposed to Thomas sir. The very first class, when I was in the class, he wrote on the board, heights of great men reached and kept were not attained in a sudden flight. They, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in the night. And it has become a part of my life. From that day, I decided that unless you work hard in your life, you are not going to achieve success. And it has become motto of my life. So thank you, sir, for being guide and taking me to the place where I am today. He was a fantastic teacher. Second thing, he was a fantastic disciplinarian. He never liked indiscipline. For one of the prize distributions, I was called as a chief guest to give prizes for the students, as an ex-student when I became doctor. And one boy, he had won at least 5-6 prizes in sports. So he came to the table to collect the prize. And as I was about to give him the prize, Thomas sir just caught hold of him and gave him one slap. I was also little taken aback. That boy had his full shirt buttons open. So he said, discipline is most important, not how many prizes you have won. If you are disciplined in your life, you are always going to be a winner. So he was the strict disciplinarian, never like indiscipline. Whatever discipline and English I have in my life, I owe to my Thomas sir. Rest of the teachers also had lot of effect. When I passed my SSC in by standing 17th in the merit list, Thomas sir came to my residence. He advised my parents that I should go to the best of the higher secondary. Which teacher will do like this? He was not attached only to me or my wife Sanjita. He was attached to almost each and every student. He will go to each one's house, advise his parents or the students what is best for him. And he would always guide them to be successful in life. So all the students of Wagale High School owe a lot to Thomas sir. Once he went to my wife's house. That time she was a young girl, and he saw that her brother is a crippled one. Very next day, he called her to the school and offered a job of primary teacher because he was concerned about the monetary position of the family. So much concerned he was about his students and the position of the families. Kind-hearted, disciplined, excellent teacher, one in all we had in presenting drama first very small 2 or 3 minutes. I was dying in that drama, so I was not performing to the par excellence what they wanted. Actually, Kishore Borkar was our director that time. But Thomas sir came to me. He told me, Ajay, you have to be acting more profusely like. And he showed me how to act. Maybe he was not a best actor or something, but his advice I took. And even I got in 2-3 places, I got consolation prize in acting just for those 2-3 minutes acting of mine. So such a brilliant personality was an all-rounder, and we owe a lot to him. It's a great loss to our village, Ponda area and Goa as a whole. And I pray to God, may his soul rest in peace, and may God give courage and strength to his family to bear this irreparable loss.
मोगाळ म्हज्या भावानो, आयज आमचो गो मोगाळ M. थॉमस जरी आमचे मदें ना, तो आयज आमचे यादींनी जियेता, आमच्या उगडासांनी जियेता. कित्याक आतांच आमी आयकल्या उलोवप्यांनी काळजाच्या उमेलांनी बरोवन हे व्हड मनशाची कितली तोखणाय केल्या पळय ती. खरेंच हांव म्हणटलों असो M. Thomas was a man of mission, vision and goodwill in life. त्या पासून तो टिचराचेच हितून उरोंक ना, तो सगळ्याच्या काळजांनी, ल्हानाच्या व्हडांनी सगळ्याच्या काळजांनी आसलो, जितो आसतना आनी हे फुडें आसतलो. हांव इतलेंच मागतां. आतांच्या संस्थेन, वागडेच्या संस्थेन टिचरांनी आनी तेंचे वडिलांनी हो वावर बरो उरचो. उंटीच्यो इमारत्यो वाडल्यो म्हूण तितून व्हडलो वर्क ना. खरें म्हणल्यार जें M. थॉमसान फावंडेशन इस्कॉलाचें घातलें, सगळ्यांचें डेव्हलपमेंट सहकार दिवन तो बरो वावर फुडें व्हेलो, हें अत्यंत गरजेचें. म्हजे तिगोय पूत हांगा हेच इस्कॉलान शिकले आनी बरेपणान शिकले, कित्याक तांकां बरें डायरेक्शन मेळ्ळें, बरो मार्गदर्शन मेळ्ळें. हे वागडेच्या इस्कॉनांतल्यान म्हजो पूत धाकटो पूत सिल्सन जेन्ना हे इस्कॉलान पयलो आयलो थॉमस म्हाका मेळपाक हांव आमच्या घरा गेलो हांव ताका मेळोंक ना खरो तेजे उपरांत सिल्सनाची फुडली वाटचाल कशी आसतली कितें करता जायते कितें तेजें ज्ञानी तो अशें कितें म्हाकाच म्हज्या पुताची खबर नासली ती थॉमसान म्हज्या नदरेक हाडली तर असलो टिचर आमच्या ल्हानशा गांवांत जसो डॉक्टर घनश्याम सांगला डॉक्टर अजय सांगला आमचो राजू बाबान सांगला आमी खरेंच भागी तर आयच्या दिसा हे ल्हान समाजीन हांव मागता देवान ताका बऱ्या वावराचो केलेलो संवसारान स्वर्गार ताका सासणीक जिवीत मेळचें आनी देवान ताका राखचो सांबाळचो स्वर्गान देव बरें करूं
एक तुमच्याकडे कोण असा तुमच्याकडे उलोवपाक या
Good afternoon, everybody. Actually, I am not an English. I think of public forum I had never spoken English. Always I am speaking in Marathi or inner voice is telling me to speak in only English. I am paying homage to our beloved teacher Thomas sir. So I remember when I was in 10th, that time we were not so means entire society was not so what to do in future and all. We were not so keen about it. English was just one subject for us, just a subject, and we have to pass it. That was only the intention. So that time I still remember in the 10th we had one poem of William Wordsworth. Now we know the William Wordsworth is a very great poet of English literature, but that time we were not knowing. For him, for us, it is one poem written by some writer called William Wordsworth. So that time I still remember the Thomas sir used to teach us. It's a romantic poem that time. So giving example of Madhuri Dixit and Anil Kapoor. Because Madhuri Dixit and Anil Kapoor, top star.
And if a student should come some interest in that poem or teaching,
then that is the way to bring them in the literature. So that was his motto, means the type of a teaching he used to give. And one more thing I remember is, we being a village students, our English was poor, I would say, because in our school time there was no trend of speaking English with each other. Even during our college we were not speaking English. So unless and until you speak any language, you cannot have command on it. Once we enter in our career, then we come across many people, then we must have to speak English. And then we started speaking English. So actually after the age of 21, actually we started speaking English. But I feel proud that we may not be very fluent in speaking English today. We may not have very big vocabulary with us. But whatever English we are speaking today is a grammatically correct English, which today I feel great even convent students are not speaking. But we may speak a very little words, but whatever we speak grammatically correct. And that credit goes to Thomas sir and in our teenagers, Aborkar sir, because our roots, our base is perfect. That is where it remains. So in between we may have 4 or 5 years wherein we could not speak much English. But when we started or when the need came to speak the English, we are speaking a very grammatically correct English. And that credit goes to only Thomas sir and our teachers. And the third thing, the discipline, what Raju said or Madhu said. Just I had 5-6 years back incidents. I had an opportunity to have judge for that inter-class one act play competition in Wagre. They are having. So that time We were having one play competition, one by one division come they perform on stage. But an entire hall was full, like with each class, and their class teachers were sitting there with student. Class teacher was sitting. We will. The scene was very pathetic. See, fifth standard drama is going on. Fifth standard students were quiet. Means they are listening. All four, five students, they are shouting like anything. They were not listening to class teacher also. And I remember when we were in the school, class were going on. If Thomas sir just walks that B, the entire from fifth standard to 10th B standard, all divisions were quiet. I think all will agree on it. So that is a discipline or command what our sir has. So I take this opportunity to pray. Rest is, may his soul rest in peace. Thank you.
Good afternoon. थॉमस सर आमच्या मदीं ना. हांव एक भाग्यवान कित्याक हांव तेजो स्टुडंट आनी स्टाफ कळ्ळें. दुसरें हांव जो उबो आसा हांवें आज पळय बुशर्ट सुद्दां जो घातला आतां दोतोरान सांगलें वन एक्ट प्ले जाता आनी कितें जाता. तर थॉमस सर सकाळीं वन प्रॅक्टीस चलता आसतना सगळे स्टाफाक सांगतालो सांजचे तुमी थंय येवपा जाय. आनी तो स्वता येतालो. आनी तो आयिल्ल्या कारणान सगळ्यांक येवचें पडटालें. जेन्ना थॉमस सर ना जालो तेन्ना कोण हांवूच एकटोच येतालो. अशी परिस्थिती निर्माण जाली. दुसरी गोश्ट तेजें अशें आशिल्लें की भुरग्यांक खंय व्हरता आसतना बरो डान्स बरें. एकदां कितें जालें, मडगांव गेल्ले सगळे कोणी थंय कॉम्पिटिशन दवरलें आनी 25 भुरगीं आशिल्लीं. आनी मडगांव मागीर मेळ्ळी तें कॉम्पिटिशन बी जालें. आतां 25 भुरग्यांक खावंक सादारणशी विचार करतले बारीकशें हॉटेल पळोवया. तातो हॉटेल म्हणल्यार बरें आसा आनी थंय या म्हणटा वचून गाडी सगळी बरें. तातो हॉटेलान सकयल बी न्ही वयर या. थंय गेलो ताका कावंटरार जालें आमकां वयलें सगळें तो रूम सगळें जालें. आनी भुरग्यांक सांगलें की तुमकां जाय तें खायात. भुरगीं मागीर नकळो तुमी तुमकां कितें जाय सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक जाय जालें खावन बील आयलें. कृष्णात 5,000 सुमारे 4,500 रुपया बील. बरें हांव कितले घेवन वयतलो पयशे. हांवें 1-2-3 हजार रुपया येयले. करप सर अशें. सर म्हणलें 4,500 रुपया बील जालें दी पयशे. ताका ते बिलाचें बी कांय पडलेलें ना. ते दिलें. आनी दुसरी गोश्ट 2 आमचे इव्हेंट चलताले. 2 वर्साक एक इव्हेंट पोंडा स्कूल एसोसिएशन. ताका तेजी उर्वर आसताली की आमकां ते फर्स्ट प्लेस मेळपाक जाय. प्रत्येक वर्सा मेळपाक जाय अशी तेजी इच्छा आशिल्ली. पण सगळ्यांक आमकां ताणें फाटीं लागून 2 वर्सां तें आमकां मेळ्ळें. आनी तें एक प्रसिद्धी पत्र मेळटालें 2 वर्सांचें आसा तें. आनी परत एक 100% रिजल्ट तेजे टेन्युराक 2 वर्सां ताणें हाडलें. अशें तेगेली एक दुसरे बद्दल भावना जी आसा ती आशिल्ली. आनी राजगीर चवथीक येतकीर आमगेर येतालो आनी सांगतालो कितें एक च्या जाय तुमगेर गेलो. म्हाका फाटल्या दिसांनी कळ्ळें सर गोंयांत आयला. एक दीस गेलो हांव फोंड्यां जाल्यार थंय स्कुटर आसा तो म्हणलें वो आसतलें हांगा पूण कोण ना एक अर्दवर थंय रावलो घरा मागीर परत एक दीस आयतार दीस म्हणलें केन्ना तरी येयलें जाल्यार आसतलो हांव बी बसलो तो सपना टायल्स वालो कोण ना सपना टायल्स वाल्या फुडें हांव जाणा तो ताजो फ्रेंड अरे भाऊ म्हणलें सर सर म्हणालो गेलो फुडें आतां येवपा ना तितलो मेळ्ळो आनी 2018 डिसेंबरान म्हाका मेळ्ळो आपली म्हळ्यार खोट दुखता रोग ते अशें म्हळ्यार चेकअप सकाळीं रोग बी घालून वॉकिंग वयता आनी ताका सगळेंच आवडटालें सब्जेक्ट तर इंग्लीश आशिल्लोच ते शिवाय म्युजीक म्हण डान्सान सामको पिसो संजीव फाटल्यान सदांच लागतालो डान्स पळय डान्साक कितें जाय तें वचून कमलाकर लागीं वच ते कितें मेळटा ते पयशांचो प्रश्न ना गाडयो कितल्यो जाय ताका खबरूच ना कितल्यो गाडयांनी व्हरपा जाय भुरग्यांक अशें स्टाफाक सुद्दां कांय कमी ना मिटींग आसली जाल्यार सगळें कितें च्या पाणी तें वेवस्थीत सगळें म्हणजे सगळ्यांची ताका हें कदर आशिल्ली आनी कोणूय आयलो कोणूय आसूं तो कोणूय आयलो जाल्यार ताका ऑफिसान बरे रितीन ताका रिसीव करप हें पयलें आशिल्लें अशें मनीस आनी खंयच्याय एका स्कुलाक असो हेडमास्टर मेळपाक कठीण त्या खातीर आमचे वागळे हायस्कूल फुडें पावलें हांवें पोस्ट घातलेलो वागळे हायस्कुला शिखरा पर्यंत नेणारा अवलिया गेला खरंच अवलिया टिचर म्हणून उरलो ना तो फुडलें अशे रितीन थॉमस सर आमचे मदीं ना हांव जे आज जेवता खाता ते थॉमस सर म्हज्या लायफान 3 गुरू आयले एक म्हाजो दामजी मंगेशकर दुसरे म्हजे युनिवर्सिटीचे गंधर्व विद्यालयाचे म्हाजे माडये गुरुजी आनी म्हाजे कलेक उजाळो दिवपी म्हजे थॉमस सर ही 3 जाणांची नांवां सदांच जेन्ना म्हाका गोवा कला अकादेमीचो गौरव पुरस्कार प्राप्त जालो तेन्ना ही नांवां अरे एकटो वळखीचो थॉमस सराचें नांव ते म्हणलें घाल तें जाय संगितांतलोच मनीस तो घाल तर असो मनीस मेळपाक खूब वर्सां वयतली आनी जे कोणाक खंयच्याय इश्कोलाक जो असो मनीस मेळ्ळो ते इश्कोल पळय देव
Dear friends, we have gathered here to give homage to our beloved teacher, M.M. Thomas. Well, I should say I'm not his student, but I'm his good friend. In fact, everybody has told who is Thomas, what is Thomas. You might be knowing a perfect man, perfect guide. What is called discipline, he taught what is discipline to others. And above that, he was a perfect guide in every respect. We used to meet occasionally in my friendship grew with him during my traveling from Dowli to Mardol for a while. He always told me. And once it so happened that when I used to deliver outside Mardol or area, somebody just asked, are you a Wagle student? And studied under Thomas. I said, no, but he's my idol. Very good man. And he said, he has grown, he has given is much of life to grow Wagada to such a greater height. Well, I should speak very little. Once again, I would like to give my homage on behalf of you, and we can only say, may his soul rest in peace.
थॉमस सराबद्दल सगळ्यांचे बरें उलोवन जाला हांव आनी जास्त टायम घेना कारण खूब जाण झुमाचेर उलोवपाक रावल्यार जो डॉक्टर अनिल देसाय आसा तेंच्या चलयो झुमाचेर आसा हांव एकूच म्हाजे इन्सिडंट सांगता तेजे वयल्यानूच तुमकां कळ्ळें थॉमस सर कितलो सामको स्कुलाक एटॅच आशिल्लो ही गोश्ट आसा 1979 78-79 तेन्ना हांव 8वेक आशिल्लो आनी आमचे 3 प्रोजेक्ट सायन्स प्रोजेक्ट सिलेक्ट जाल्ले टू रिप्रेझेंट इन महाराष्ट्रा आनी त्या खातीर ते 4-5 दिसाचो प्रोग्राम आशिल्लो. आमी थंय गेले. आमच्या वांगडा फडटे सर आनी सलत्री सर आशिल्ले आनी तो कंप्लीट जावन जेन्ना आमी आयले आमी रातचे 3 फोंड्या पावले आनी फडटे सर म्हणून लागलो आमी सामके रूल आसता सराचो की आयले बरोबर रिपोर्ट करपा जाय. रातची फांतोडेची 3 जाले. 3 आमी फोंड्या आसा. फोंडेच्यान आमी ट्रकाचेर बसून मंगेशी आयले. हांव आनी फडटे सर तो म्हणटालो आतांच रिपोर्ट करपा जाय. सो 3:30 आमी थॉमस सरागेर गेले. तो गाळीन रावतालो तेन्ना आनी म्हाका हांव परत सांगतालो फडटे सराक की आतां ऑड दिसता इतले लेट त्रास दिवप म्हणून आमी तेजे घरा गेले 3:30 रातचे आनी तेणेन बरे भशेन आमकां रिसीव केले. उठलो तो सगळी फॅमिली ल्हान भुरगीं सामकी ल्हान आशिल्लीं तेन्ना म्हणून ते एटॅचमेंट पळयत जाल्यार सराचें कळटा कितले ताका वागळे हायस्कुला बद्दल एटॅचमेंट आशिल्लें. हें एका एग्जाम्पलाक पयल्यानूच कळटा की तो सामको वागळे हायस्कुलान भितर आशिल्लो. ताका सामको आनंद जालो की आमी आयले आमकां कॉफी दिली इतले लेट आसा. सो फूल फॅमिली इनवॉल्व आशिल्ली आनी तेजे वयल्यान सराचे केन्नाय मेळ्ळो एक सामकें ताका सगळ्यांची नांवां पाठ आसता. म्हाज्या घरांतल्या प्रत्येकाचें नांव घेवन कशें आसा काय विचारता असो तेजें सामको समथींग टोटली डिफरंट. आनी आतां आमी कंटिन्यू झुमाचेर करुया. थोडे सामके रावल्या उलोवपा खातीर. आवाज कितलो क्लियर येतलो तो कळना म्हणून एक एकटो उलयतलो आनी आमी तें मातशें आयकुया.
Santosh Fondekar, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yeah.
Prashant, you are allowing me to speak, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you, Prashant. सगळ्यांत पयलीं homage to Thomas sir. It's almost more than 50 years. Thomas sir came in my life when I started studying in Wagre High School. He impacted the life of almost every one of us students. He became a part of the family. अजून थॉमस सराची विविडली दोळे मुखार येता. द बॅलड ऑफ लोकिनवर, लॉर्ड बायरनाचे फॉरगेट मी अँड रिमेंबर मी अँड बी सॅड. ह्यो सगळ्यो ताज्यो इंग्लीश शिकोवपाच्यो टिचर म्हणून तो आमचे भितर सदांच उरतलो. बट ही वॉज बियॉन्ड एज अ टीचर. If I would say majority impact in my life, English zalit, but the total impact that he had in my life is amazing. Amazing personality he was, a gentleman and who will be always remembered. I had the fortune of being with him during my student life and learning a lot of life moments with him. Very closely associated. सगळ्यांनी सांगला म्हणजे तो फक्त आमकांच एज स्टुडंट म्हणून वळखनाशिल्लो, फॅमिलीचे सगळे मनशां वळखतालो. आज वागळे हायस्कूल ज्या शिखराचेर आसा, जे सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, ताचो चडसो वांटो थॉमस सराक वता. आनी थॉमस सर, यू विल बी विथ अस इवन इफ यू आर नॉट फिजिकली देर. And to the family of Thomas sir, we are with you, and I hope you have the courage to live physically without Thomas sir. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Santosh, for sharing your experiences. Anyone else? Requesting everyone to go to participants menu and raise your hand so that I can come to know whom to unmute. Dr. Anil Desai, you would like to speak?
Yes.
Dr. Ulayat.
Right. Good morning, friends. What can I say about Thomas Sir? It's difficult when you speak about a man who is a good teacher, good mentor, good administrator, good father, and generally a good active citizen for the entire community. But above all, what I admired most about Thomas Sir was that he was a true gentleman. I met him over the last 40 years when I was not his student. I met him umpteen times. And the last time I met him was this February when he was in Goa, and coincidentally I was in Goa, which is where I met his family, Fancy and Wandu. And I was absolutely delighted that here was a man who felt his life was fulfilled because his children had done so well. He was so affectionate towards them and his grandchildren. As a teacher, he was not simply a good teacher. He was, as I wrote to him, and I'm going to read a couple of WhatsApp messages that I exchanged with him in a minute. But I had said to him on his 77th birthday in a little video message that the line I remember you by is James Lowell's line, "Not failure, but low aim is crime." And somebody said about Heights of Great Men, I think Ajay it was who said, "Heights of great men reached and kept." He had these gems that he would occasionally not just utter to you, but somehow he had that skill that it would reach your heart and it would stay there. And that was Thomas Sir. I remember him, and particularly it is important on a day like this to remember, he taught us John Donne's holy sonnet, "Death be not proud." And the last line says, "Death thou shalt be no more, death shall die." He was a man of such values that we are here. I don't believe he will ever die. He's there with, he will stay with us. So I wrote to him on the 77th birthday. He said something that you would expect somebody of his caliber to say. He said, "Generally speaking, we teachers are like stone cutters, and occasionally we come across diamonds, and we get elevated as diamond cutters." So he wanted to actually give importance to his students who have done well, rather than accepting that it is because of his teaching that we could achieve things in life. I wrote to him again, and please forgive me, I'm reading my WhatsApp messages from May this year. I said I wanted to say a lot more. There is no doubt about one thing. I saw hundreds of teachers from different parts of the world during my school, college, and medical school days, and here while studying the art and craft of surgery. And I can tell you that you were still amongst only a handful of teachers that I was fortunate to learn from. This is the reason I'm angry with this entity called God dealing you such a bad hand. The grace with which you have handled it is truly remarkable. I could not hear you when you called, but it would be difficult for me to speak to you right now as I'm too emotional. Take care. And then he writes to me about his chemotherapy, etc., etc. But what he writes further down is true, Thomas Sir. Anil, by the way, do not be upset with God. No one can live this life without enduring some degree of pain or sorrow. It is the other side of happiness. One doesn't exist without the other. When I look back, I gratefully recollect that my share of pain was almost nil there since my childhood. I never took sick leave in my entire career. Now that I'm in the late evening of my life, there has to be a beginning for the end. I have had a contented life. My children are well settled in life with their smart kids. I could not have dreamed of a better life. Looking forward to seeing you soon. That was the mark of a great man whom I will certainly miss for a long, long time. I pray God look after this treasured soul. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Anil Desai, for joining us from UK and sharing your thoughts and his words. In fact, word by word, you could remember that really I went really into nostalgia. Okay, any other speaker would like to? Please raise your hands from participants menu so that I can come to know. आनी कोण उरल्यात कोणाक उलोवपाक जाय? In the meantime, let me express my feelings at this particular time. I joined Wagle in 1974 and I passed my SSC in March 1980. But these were my golden years, and I would say that this was really when we were molded. And rightly, Dr. Anil Desai said that yes, teachers are the sculptors who do carving on a plain stone, and that's what all teachers do. And Thomas sir is no exception to it. In fact, he was of the opinion that not only academics, but also all other co-curricular activities should be there in any person. And that helped me to come to this level, I would say, not only in academics, but other things like oratory skills, or maybe acting skills, whatever it may be, or music skills in some of our students. And he always used to say, my classmate, Sri Prashant Madalkar, who is not amongst us now, always said, one day or other, you will become a Prabhakar Panshikar. And that were Thomas sir's words. And it happened to be true, because Prashant Madalkar did excellently well in dramas, and he wrote so many dramas also. So I would like to say that Thomas sir is not left us, he is living in us, and he will stay in our hearts only forever. Thank you, Thomas sir, for all the things what you gave it to us during those years. Yeah, Fancy Thomas, madam, can you just unmute? Yeah.
Respected well-wishers, friends, and ex-students of Wagle High School. I am very much thankful to all of you for your heartfelt condolences, wishes, and prayers for Thomas sir. I won't be able to say anything further.
On behalf, I am Fancy. I am Simon Thomas's youngest daughter, and on behalf of the whole family, I would like to thank all of you for paying such a great tribute to my father. We have been very fortunate to be our father's kids. my father was always, I mean, he was a remarkable man, was someone with the strongest determination that I have seen in anybody. I have had the good fortune to be with my dad for the past 8 months continuously while he was here in Bangalore with me. And from the time we found out about Papa's illness in January, there was not a single time where he said or he complained about the hand that was dealt to him. He was so strong-willed, he faced everything with a smile, and he almost never complained about the things that he was enduring at that time. Even towards the end, his doctors were so astonished with his determination and the way he sort of, you know, was facing this disease, where the doctors told me that it is quite astonishing for us to see someone at this late stage of the disease, you know, but handling it so gracefully and so strongly. He was a brave man. He gave us everything that he had to give us. He made us able. He settled us well. And every day he taught us some lesson. And every day that I was with him, I learned that even in the face of adversity, he never gave up. And when people would call him, he would talk like there was nothing wrong with him. And sometimes I would feel, Papa, it is okay for you to tell people that, you know, that you are not doing so well and everything. But he never ever would let people really know what he was going through. And he just would always just say that, you know, like Dr. Desai said, that, you know, 77 years of my life, for almost 76 years, I have had no issues. Everyone who comes has to go, and some people go in a fraction, and some people know that they will be going at some point. And I have no regrets. This is what he told his counselor at the cancer hospital that we were at. And he told everybody that I have no regrets in life. My students have made me so proud, and they are the gems that are there everywhere in this world. They're not just in Goa, they're not in India, they are all over the world. They have made me proud, and my kids have made me proud. I have great grandkids, I have a beautiful wife. There is really nothing that I could have possibly asked for more in this life. And till the very end, he was strong, he was conscious and coherent, and only he was always very charming. And even I remember even the last few moments with the hospital staff, when, you know, people would come to help him. My father could barely even speak at that point, but he would fold his hands and say thank you to anybody who would come in, like the housekeeping person who would come to change his bed sheet or to lift him up. He would be thankful for everybody, and even like all the housekeeping people and everybody would sort of fight to come into our room to help Papa. I mean, such was his personality, that even till the very end, where, you know, he couldn't really do much, he was always about other people. And I don't have to say this, and I mean, I can see it. His biggest, I mean, he always only talks about his students. When we would go for his chemotherapy sessions, when we would be in the hospital, or when I would sit and chat with him at home, he would only talk about his students and about Wagle High School. This happened in Wagle High School, that happened in Wagle High School, these were my students. Towards the end, he spoke to me so much about his students, and I found out about so many of his students. And he's been like a friend to many of them, and a lot of them have reciprocated this. I'm extremely grateful to Dr. Desai for, you know, like helping us through this whole thing where, you know, we would keep asking him about the reports and send him the reports, and he was always very gracious to call him and talk to him about things. When he was feeling a little down, he would, you know, motivate him more, and always give us a second opinion or a third opinion. Such were his students, and I think there is no better tribute to Papa than this. I mean, when I was seeing this, I was thinking that, you know, Papa will be so happy, he will be so proud that, you know, that all his students have come together and his well-wishers have come together, and you know, they have spoken so much about him and what a great difference he has made to everyone's lives. And I know that Mummy cannot say much at this point, but on behalf of all of us, I am really, really grateful to you all for having this tribute for Papa and for honoring him so well, not just today, but all through your lives. That's the greatest tribute and the greatest achievement that I think he would have always loved. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Fancy. Vandana would like to express her feelings.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. This is a big honor for Papa, and I, on behalf of all of us, would really like to thank all of you guys for making this such a special event for all of us to celebrate his life through all your memories, and to see a glimpse of my Papa, our Papa, our, you know, our amazing dad through all of your eyes was really nice. And I appreciate some of the history that you gave of how he joined, how his journey through school, and how he became a principal, and he spent so much of his life to Wagle High School. I'm the only child who was also his student. So I feel very happy that I'm also speaking here as his student. I remember one thing as a disciplinarian. I was only in Wagle High School up to 2nd standard, but I remember this very clearly. I was making some ruckus in school, and the teachers, of course, didn't punish me because I was the headmaster's daughter. But my dad happened to pass by there, and he said she needs to be punished. So I was put in the corner kneeling down, and I still remember very embarrassed that I, being the headmaster's daughter, is being punished in front of everybody. But that was a big lesson for me to learn, that I'm not special because I was the headmaster's daughter. But such was his discipline all his life. And some of the things you guys mentioned, the heights of great men reached and kept, that one you know, phrase was always something Papa talked to us about. The other one that he almost always told me was a poem by Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. And I'm sure he's somewhere still going miles and miles, you know, toiling upwards in the night, and making sure he's blessing us all from up above, you know. Thank you. All your words mean so much. I met a loss of words today, which usually is not the case, but thank you. That's all I have to say. I really, really appreciate all of what you have said on behalf of all of us. Chandan unfortunately couldn't be here because it's like, I think, 3 a.m. for him in the night. So on behalf of Chandan also, thank you very, very much for organizing this beautiful celebration of his life. Thanks.
Anyone else would like to speak? Please raise your hand. आणि कोणाक उलोवपाक जाय? Sagar, can you take over? Sagar, please unmute laptop also. Sagar? Yeah.
प्रशांताक प्रशांत Ajay will conclude.
Ajay? Hi. Ajay, go on.
In fact, I must thank Damodar, Raju, Ganesham, and all members of Mangiri Youth Club who took initiative in organizing this condolence meet for our ex-students of our friends. Everybody was there, but it was mainly Damodar, Advocate Raju, Ganesham who took initiative in organizing. We were always skeptical because of the pandemic situation which is there, whether we would be able to organize this condolence meet with social distancing and all the norms of pandemic situation. But thanks to everybody, everybody has followed whatever norms we had to follow. And I must thank Thomas sir's family also for participating in this condolence meet and sharing their views. We now conclude with this meeting. I'm grateful to one and all. Thank you.
One thing I